Oh, Harmony One holders, how are you? Hope you're good. Hope you have a good day, guys. Once again, I'm talking about Harmony latest update. What surprise changes will go in the Harmony? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. The right now price of Harmony in the market is 0.139861 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Harmony. Furthermore, guys, if we study the changes updates, so now the last 1 hour update is negative 11%. Last 1 day change is positive 15.36% positive, guys. Really recommend for you, and I'm very happy to see these positive changes, guys. Now the last 1 week change is about negative 19.1%. Last 1 week change is 19%, but very soon, guys, this change will become positive, guys. Now from yesterday only Harmony start pumping, as you can see here, from yesterday, from here. And now, guys, you know what, to the last half September, to the last 29 to 30 September, Harmony will continue this pump, guys. So please hold, never decide to sell, guys. It's time to hold, never decide to sell, guys. Positive 14.92% changes occur in the Harmony, guys. That's really good changes. I'm very happy to see these positive changes, guys. And just tell me in the comment box, how do you feel today about Harmony, good or bad? Tell me in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.